Hello to the group, John Stern, Holiday, Utah. I want to talk about some other accoutrements. The other day, I did a video on my basic cooking equipment. This is going to be a mixture, but I want to get into the most important part of this, and that is the stove. I looked at stoves, and the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe, which is different than the PocketRocket, because the PocketRocket Deluxe has the piezoelectric igniter. Got some great reviews, lots of reviews. And when I'm out in the middle of nowhere, I want to buy once, cry once. I don't necessarily want to have something that's not going to work very well, even though I'm going to save $50. The majority of, like the Fire Maple makes some stoves. They're basically around $25, and some are piezoelectric, some aren't. But this gets some really good stuff. And it's got the igniter right here. Really good from the reviews. And I fired it up with some, I don't want to say generic, but this stuff is pretty generic. There's 3 or 4 manufacturers out there that make this, whether it's Jetboil or somebody else. So, so far I've been pretty happy with this, and it folds up nice and compact. Now, like I said, the Deluxe has the igniter. The Jetboil, or correction, the MSR PocketRocket doesn't have the igniter. So keep that in mind. And I don't know what the difference is in price. I don't want to say it's considerable. I'm going to say 10 or 15 bucks. Maybe more. Okay, that takes care of that. Bought it on Amazon. I'll put links in the description for what it's worth. Just got this GSI spoon and spatula set. I wanted to have some kind of utensils, small, compact. These look pretty good. I haven't cracked them open yet, but I will. But I wanted to keep it all together so I can communicate who made them. Of course, you got the fuel. I bought a couple of these. Can't remember where I got these on at a store. Yeah. This is the Fire Maple G2. They make a G3, which is taller and skinnier, but I wanted something that was a little more shorter and a bit wider. Love the attention to detail. This stuff is great. It's got the heat exchanger on the bottom with the fins. This I want to say was like $25 also. Spring-loaded handle so it can fold up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the canister in the bag, and then the bag in the pot, because if you don't protect the pot from the fuel canister, it's going to scratch and mar up the finish, and it's going to look like hell. So as long as this is all contained with the handle, I don't really care what the outside looks like. I will be careful with the fins though, because I don't want these fins to get damaged. But if they do, they do. And hell, every 2 years I can just go buy another pot for $25 a piece. The other cool thing I found on the AliExpress is I wanted a plate to fit on top. I want to have a cook plate on the stove. So this was going to fit right on top of the stove. This was like 12 or 13 bucks. The great thing about this is it's small, compact. It has its own handle, right? And it's made out of aluminum, and it's some kind of, I don't know if this is Teflon or just an anodizing or what, but it's enough. It's enough to put something on here, a couple of fillets or whatever you want to cook, and it's all nice and compact. That's what I want. I want it to be nice and small and just ready to go whenever I need it. And this totally fits the bill. Really happy. And so, okay, so 25. I think the fuel is $5. Let's say the fuel is $5. That's 30. This is like 85. So that's what, 115. I don't know what these were. Maybe these were 10. Okay, so maybe we're up to 125. And then the plate was 15. So 140. $140 worth of stuff that I would think is going to pretty much last forever. So, unless, you know, you bend it or break it or lose it or whatever. Okay, that's this update. Leave comments for your thoughts. Leave comments for your thoughts on the stove. If you think I'm crazy or, yeah, you know, too much money or what. The other stuff is pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think anything can happen with that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Cheers.